Hey team, it's Trisha with Orchid. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to test the system using the test email account that your implementation specialist assigns to you. Okay, so the one kind of interesting thing about Orchid is that it only allows you to put in one unique email per user. So typically you will get an email account from your implementation specialist that looks something like this: Orchid Test, your agency name at gmail.com. Okay, but Trisha, you just mentioned that it needs to be a unique email address. One of the cool things about Gmail is that if we add a plus and any additional information, it will still go to the same Gmail account. Okay, so whether you decide that when you're testing you want to use plus first name of whatever fake user you're creating, or a numbering system, or maybe even a role and numbering system, Gmail will take it. And what I mean by that is it's going to send this email and this one and this one all to the orchidtest.agency@gmail.com. So let's take a second and take a look at what that looks like in our demo system. Okay, I'm here in our demo system. I'm in intake, and here I see a list of test users, and I also see their email addresses. You will see I've got like Orchid 19 plus Roy, I've got Orchid 19 plus Marcos, and on and on and on. Wonderful, right? We've got all those unique users, and here's what it looks like in Gmail. When I go into Gmail, I'm going to go into my inbox and I'm going to see a complete list, or rather all the emails that are going in and out because of the testing, right? So whether that's welcoming somebody to the system, matching somebody, and even automated emails that you might be having the system send at certain points along the journey. Those will all come in here. You will be able to come take a look and verify that it is working properly. So how do you know if it's really working properly? So let's take a look here at Vince Oliver. All right, so probably his email address is something plus Vince. That's our convention. And I look at this email. Okay, well, number one, I see it is for Vince Oliver on the inside as well, the outside, so that's good. Here's the message. Hopefully that's right. No logo, but that's probably because it's our demo instance and we don't have a logo set up there. And over here, what I do see is the email address it was sent to. Good news, that plus Vince does come through into Gmail, but I didn't have to sign into another account. So good news is sign into one account, right? Keep your work email clean, and also Orchid staff is also testing your system and seeing how things work. So that way everybody has one place to go and take a look at emails. How awesome is that? So here are my two final points. Number one is when using that test email is just a plus and then whatever you want. And number two, do not change the password of that Gmail account. Okay? If you have any questions, please reach out to your implementation specialist. They'll be sure to help you out. Thanks so much and have a great day.